Hey Auto Fiber team. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the differences between the tools that we use to clean wheels. And the primary tool that we use to clean wheels is the barrel blade. Now I love the barrel blade personally because the barrel blade obviously gets into the barrels. It gets between thin spokes, and we do a lot of sports cars here. They tend to have real thin spokes, so this is great for that. And also sports cars tend to have larger brake systems, and this can reach behind every brake caliper that we've used, or every brake caliper that we've had since we used this barrel blade. All right, so that's what I love the barrel blade for. And then there is an option for the barrel blade that we talked about, which is the Scrub Ninja pad. And that's great if you're a detailer, especially that comes in contact with a lot of wheels that have built up and accumulated brake dust. The next tool that we like to use is the wheel paw. And this is a new product that I honestly didn't think I would use a lot of, but the moment I started using it, I haven't been able to put it down. So what I was doing before was kind of bending the barrel blade. It does bend at awkward angles to get behind these spokes. But what I've realized is that the wheel paw makes it so easy to get behind spokes. And we do a lot of wheels off ceramic coating packages here, and I like to get the wheels as clean as possible before we take them off the vehicle, just to make less of a mess. So this is great for getting behind these, getting into little hard to reach crevices, and even like cleaning around the tire stems. You can see how it gets into all those areas. So we hit it with the barrel blade first to get into these hard to reach areas that my big hands can't fit in, and then I use the wheel paw to get all the other areas. And then I finish it off with the wheel flip. Now the wheel flip I think is best used to dry wheels, but it also gets that last little bit of dirt off the wheels from hard to reach areas. And you can also flip this over, which gives you clean sides as you're going throughout without having to wring it out too much. And if you bend it correctly, you can get into the lug nut areas real well, and it dries off. It's pretty absorbent. You can see it's drying up pretty easily. So I hope this helps you differentiate what we use the barrel blade, the wheel paw, and the wheel flip for. So add these three tools to your toolbox and get really efficient on cleaning wheels.